Improving the graphics settings in Cyberpunk 2077 can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Follow these steps to boost your graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Options and then go to the Graphics tab to access the graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the graphics settings, find the resolution option. Set it to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. High resolutions will provide clear images but may affect performance. Step 3. Change graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality preset. Choose a higher preset like Ultra to improve texture quality, lighting, and effects. If your system struggles, consider a medium preset for a balance between quality and performance. Step 4. Enable ray tracing. If your hardware supports it, enable ray tracing for enhanced lighting and reflections. This feature can significantly improve the game's visual fidelity, but may require a powerful GPU. Step 5. Fine-tune additional settings. Explore additional settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings based on your system's capabilities to find the best combination of performance and graphics. By following these steps, you can enhance the visual experience in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your improved gaming sessions.